climate refers to the long-term average atmospheric conditions, including temperature, humidity, and precipitation pattern that define the Earth weather over a specific region or globally. Global climate change, or what is often called global warming, is a term used to describe long-term change in Earth weather conditions. These are not extraordinary daily or seasonal weather change, but change that occur over tens or hundreds of years. Global climate change is caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, which release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, leading to the greenhouse effect. Urbanization leads to the loss of vegetation that acts as a carbon sink, while intensive agriculture involves harmful practices like the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Climate change can also influence land use through phenomena such as increased drought or floods that require change in agricultural practice. Natural factors, including volcanic activity and the solar cycle, affect the climate, but their influence is overshadowed by increasing human activity. The interaction of these factors creates complex and ongoing global climate change with significant impacts worldwide. Climate change has significant health implications. Rising temperatures and extreme weather events can lead to heat-related illnesses, respiratory problems, and increases mortality. In addition, it increases the spread of diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Lyme disease, which can adversely affect human health. The environmental impacts of climate change are equally concerning. Rising temperatures are causing the melting of polar ice caps, sea level rise, and more frequent and intense natural disasters such as hurricanes, wildfires, and floods. Climate change also affects the distributions and abundance of plant and animal species, which can have cascading effects on ecosystem and biodiversity. Economic impacts of climate change are substantial, leading to significant losses, damage to infrastructure, and disruption to supply chain.
To mitigate global climate change requires a comprehensive and targeted set of measures, such as reducing dependence on fossil fuels by switching to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. Sustainable land management is also a key factor in preventing climate change, such as forest conservation, reforestation in degraded areas, and the promotion of sustainable agriculture that takes into account the balance of ecosystem and the conservation of natural resources. Public awareness is crucial for preventing climate change. Education about the environment's importance and human behavior's impact is necessary. Encouraging sustainable action in communities is essential.
Global climate change is a serious challenge faced by the entire world today, with the complexity of factors influencing climate change, including greenhouse gas emission from human activities, land use change, and natural variability. The impacts on the environment, economy, and society are increasingly being felt. Most people are already aware for the importance of dealing with global climate change and have taken action to slow its impacts. However, more needs to be done to ensure that we are truly prepared to face this challenge globally. It is critical to take immediate and effective action to reduce greenhouse gas emission, maintain land use sustainability, and build resilience to inevitable climate change. Global collaboration, technological innovation, and science-based policies are needed to create a more sustainable and secure future for future generations.
One Earth, one responsibility.
Fight the global climate change together!